days, ladies and gentlemen. Iso nga 4-decade duo kami dati kabaruan, ingga na di kataanan. Wino kataanan, ingga na kabaruan nga sunsonata. Upat nga dekada nga sunsonata. Naroon! From Simon and Garfunkel. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Times get right, and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. When you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your Sailor Silver Girl, sail on away. Your time has come to shine, all your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. Oh, when you need a friend, I'm sailing right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will
By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never richer, we were out to make instead a figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife and you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me, 'cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, 'cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was learning about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. We're still learning about life. My womb were children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory. In some I had to leave behind my brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter one. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold? Or will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Or will I think the world is cold? Or will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
I was 10, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way.
Then you smiled and I reached out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look, that it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how that I exist.
I dreamed, still I never was wrong. Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Tonight I fell in love with you, and all the things I never knew seem to come to me somehow. Baby, love is here and now. There's
Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people, two less lonely people, two less lonely people in the world tonight.
people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. Okay, that's it. Two less lonely people. May special request ito. Kung na toy, can we extend to another hour? Kung na naman ang darin. Oh my God. Anyway, kanya tayo lang kumati stasyon. Why not? Because you're always there, FDDPI. So nga, kanayin kayo balata nga dito kuma. No, kahit mabalin lang kumakat. May isa pa yung special request. Pa-request man ading June ken Balong John Mark tay The Gift. Ayan, numabalin ko na ni Kapsat Cathy para kanya na siyempre
Alo, meron pa nag-text
Ronald.
dito.
Ano ko na.
Good after FDD, para ko sa manti, I'll stand by you. Para kanya dami di balay kan ni Mami Fel, Jay Japan, thank you. Ni Sir Nick, tapos ni Ajang, batiin nyo si Ate Jenny ng happy birthday kuya. Okay, happy birthday Ate Jennifer Obidosa.
Wow, birthday ni naganan.
Christine Jennifer.
Palayo, di ba? Nunong ni Manong mo, iso naman ni Naning.
Hindi ka mo, unsa, naning sa.
Naning. Okay, kanya mabasang Jenny. Happy birthday maniputi for decade. Ito tamilan. Hantang amin nag-open ti Facebook.
Well,
Nasapa.
makita mo siya birthdays today ko na.
Well, nasapa ngamin na po ti panagtukar mi tatay Jimmy sa San Roque Paris. Si kami ti choir. Kat apo uray, tinagragsak ni Pati. Kuna nakot. Allah. Ano yung pagana?
Teka mo, nalipatawan.
Marvelous! Kuna na.
Marvelous.
Ayan, Father Steve Monar, thank you very much sa kaya muna iti Joet mi kini amak. Ayan, kat wish na kano apo, da kami kanta into no Midnight Mash. Ayan.
Mash, ano?
Mash, the H.
Mashed potato.
Midnight Mash, kung namin mo tami apong egam iti schedule ti panagkanta mi Jemisa. Anyway, no si kami ti matutukan to no, ay kat
practice kami.
Practice kami ti kasta una, datay talaga nga papintasin tati ka na. Ngarod, para kanyam, Kapsat Cathy with Ronald. When the snow is coming down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire with me, you're the answer when I pray I would find someone, and baby I found you. And all I want is to hold you forever, and all I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day
for the gift.
Watching as you softly sleep, what a gift if I could keep just this moment. If only time stood still. But the colors fade away, and the years will make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, it'll still be beautiful. And all I want is to hold you forever. And all I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift. All I want is to hold you forever, and all I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, can't find the words to say. Then I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Okay, kanta man ti kundaway di kita mauti nga mensahe. Ayan, aduda apo. Unay kat sige mang pitut kilatatan barbaring no makisayan laeng ti kinato na.
Nag-text pa ni Tito Balong.
Pakigilit nga po lahat ng mga taga-taga W Gas employees from Kuya Willie and Ate Shirley. Thanks June and John Mark ko na lang tayo gayon tayo W Gas ita Ramon Isabel apo kan DJ Jones.
Ay,
oh, di man malagi pa natin nakatuto solar power generator na DJ.
Wong garod.
Hanga uso kanya tati kuryente apo awanti brown out taka kaya tandala unay iti nagpunpuntar iti solar power generator. Ayan, good afternoon FDD. Pa-request man ti I'll stand by you. Ay, madik ang mo dahil yung Sonata Balong. Ayan, nabasam kayong tatayan
Bueno,
na. Nag-yes na si Ninang Edna. Kukunan ko ng script. Waterworld Christmas
Program.
Wow, okay. Thank you very much, anak ko, Mabi, for that. Ayan.
Tipalayo kayo ni
Another
Ate Jenny.
Jenny is
Baneneng.
Baneneng. Mucha ka baneneng, di ka makita.
Tapos ka nag-text ni Tito Balong. Birthday pa ni Turquoise.
Wow. Ay,
Happy birthday, Turquoise.
Yan, aja anak ti basit nga gobyerno dita.
Dakal.
Ay, dakal nga gobyerno.
Goberno.
Wan, apo, pagbili ba man da kita, babae data Villa Carmen, apo, kaya dapat iti sobrang alay puro raga sa na tama ko naki pagpagkata ko ng simsimento nga nahalo o kayang dagi dyan laga mga igaid naman sumakapol ti kwarta ayan
Wong garod.
makapabili ba po so nga dagiti ada construction na po hanla ang lalaki di mabalin iyaban nyo lang dagiti membro apo iti dakal gobyerno di Villa Carmen mabalin na po palapalad tag semento kada karpentero iso nga kwa dagiti lalaki ita dagiti laban yun kada kita kontrata dito babain anapay balong bumasa ka pa kasi dumapay nga pangablaw.
Yes, magandang hapon po.
Wow.
Sorry po kung Tagalog yung text ko, hindi ko po kasi alam mag-Ilocano. Ang galing niyo po talaga kumanta.
Wow.
Hopefully, po makabili ako ng album nyo. Kasi ko nga pa yung Lodi. Ano yung Lodi? Sana po makanta nyo. Thanks po ng marami. Lodi, Rido.
Na-request ko nga po yung Lodi.
Lodi ko na naman. Lodi.
Lodi. Pengin Lodi.
Loaded.
Number 1 naman kayo. Penging Lord, number 1 naman kayo kunana, pero iba na po ang number 1. Siyempre, andito na po kami ngayon. Adda kami manan. Number 1 na po ang Adda kami manan. Ito'y Intirot Isabela. As being surveyed by our friends. Kala mo kung anong survey na yun. Tayo nag-survey kaya number 1 tayo dyan. Ayan, ang mana ni ating Merla is requesting for a song called Don't Say Goodbye by the late Eddie Peregrina. Banata mambalong iti tipong...
Last song na.
Last
Tingnan
song.
mo,
49. Okay. Last song dahil ito yung ngarudan. Hampay. Okay. Ngarud!
Huh? Hold me tight, don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say a word, just hold my hand. Just stay with me, don't say goodbye.
I love you though. Oh, don't you know? This heart of mine just beats for you. You'll always be the only one until I die. Don't say goodbye.
When you're with me, I'm not afraid to face the world that is so cruel.
Hold me tight. Don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say a word. Just hold my hand. Just stay with me. Don't say goodbye.
When you're with me, I'm not afraid to face the world that is so cruel.
Hold me tight. Don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say a word. Just hold my hand. Just stay with me. Don't say goodbye. Just stay with me. Don't say okay, kaaruba. Apo, sakitin tinakin mingam. Nadanon man ang oras, hindi pa nagsisina. Kaya sabi ko, uri na pagbatit laang. Kunangi, napaisan na kay mga, napabalsi na kay mga, tingarot. Dahil titimano yung June Serialas, kan.
Kanakan yung John Mark Pastor.
Kahit kunami, agis isukat at lupumudaw kakat. At da kami tumanan apo. Next week, hindi kasi malang oras. Alas 12 ka na alas 3 iti malam. Dito lang apo 97.7
Sweet Radio, Santiago City.
Kasi sumaron ka aruba iti programa na Balwan Top 20 ni DJ Sam kini.
DJ Hans.
Kat pumukada kami. Just like ginahakabsa.
97.7. The radio scan stops here for the hits. 97.7.
Yeah.